Hi, welcome back to our channel. We're Nitish and Sonal and we make travel videos so you can see the world through our eyes. This video is a continuation of our previous Positano video where we did a day trip with Tempio Travel to Positano and Amalfi. Amalfi is accessible by ferry, bus and car. It's about 45 minutes away from Positano by car and about 25 minutes by ferry. You can totally visit both Positano and Amalfi in one day, like we did, but a full day in each of these towns would be ideal. When we got to Amalfi, we walked to the main centre and saw many cafes and shops and the main attraction, the Amalfi Cathedral. The Amalfi Cathedral is sacred to Saint Andrew. The first church on this site was built in 596 AD but was completely rebuilt in the 9th century. In the 13th century, another church was built alongside it. Then the two churches were joined together to form a single church. This is what makes the architecture of the cathedral so interesting. Even the stairs leading up to the cathedral are so grand. The cathedral is open every day and you can enter for free during mass times. The opening times are different throughout the year though, so be sure to check these out if you wish to visit. After seeing the cathedral, we went on a boat trip to the Emerald Grotto. The ticket station for these boat trips are just outside the main centre near the Sita bus stop. Boat trip cost €25 each. We've never been to a cave like this before, so it was a really good experience for us. The trip altogether took about an hour and 20 minutes. You go past many interesting landmarks of the Amalfi Coast, and the tour guide explained some of them to us. For example, we saw the monastery where the nuns first discovered cappuccino, which as a coffee lover I thought was really cool. Although I should add I'm more of a latte drinker, just in case you ever want to buy me a coffee. The Emerald Grotto formed naturally over the millennia and gradually filled with seawater. When sunlight filters through the openings in the cave, the turquoise colour of the Mediterranean Sea turns into a beautiful bright emerald colour. It also reflects onto the cave walls. It's quite dark in there, so unfortunately we weren't able to capture that. It is thought that the grotto was probably located above sea level thousands of years ago, and the amazing thing is that there is still a ceramic statue of the nativity scene underwater. This was so amazing to see. After a short ride around the grotto, we headed back to Amalfi town, and this concluded our time in Amalfi. We definitely got a good vibe from Amalfi and would recommend spending time in this lovely town if you're in the area. We'd love to know if you've been to a cave like this before and if you saw anything cool in them. We hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye!